Hello guys.
Oh guys, yep, we are going to pick up Ate in his work. Okay, Senji again. And Bebe. And si Bebe. Oh.
Hello. Alright.
Okay. Ano ba?
So they use the camera. Ikaw si Maya.
Hello guys.
So today we're go.
Yan na pick up Ate na. Okay. Oh guys. Paano video pala yun? Sana i-upload natin mamaya, di ba? Okay. Okay, we're gonna pick up Ate. Ate Nicole. Tama dyan, di ba? Dapat dito pala.
Yeah.
Malabo yung camera. Malabo din, di ba? To pick up Ate Nicole from work. Okay, we are traveling, going there. We are traveling, going to pick up Ate. Okay. Parang ang labo dyan. Matang ang labo.
I don't know because of the camera.
Yan, ang labo eh. Yan, may hindi ko gawa na. Hello, kakabsat.
Kapsat.
Yeah, we are going to pick up Ate Nicole from work.
Yes. Woo.
With ni Maya and Jay. Hindi daw tinama pala natin si Mama kasi may farmer doon dito. Oh.
Ano ito yung farmer's market?
Yan, ano pala una? Farmer's market here in Confederation Park. Diba? Marami pambili. Dapat si Mama pala si Mama. market in the Confederation Park in Alberta, Canada. Diba? Stop. Maya, stop. Red, stop. Okay. Okay guys, we're traveling. Okay guys, yung KFC. Green na, go. Okay, we're here already. Ako. Co-op. We are here at Co-op. Okay? So wait lang ate. We're gonna call ate later. Ayan. Okay, thanks guys for watching. To be continued later, okay? Because we are here na Co-op to wait for ate. Ayan, pipikapin namin si ate. Okay, see you later. Thank you guys for watching.
Part 2 is coming soon.
Part 2 coming soon.